Hey my friends, welcome back to Vectorial. I'm so happy you're here with me again today. This is actually the third video in our special vector design series. And in this lesson, we're gonna create a fun and colorful banana vector inside Adobe Illustrator. Now, before we begin, I wanna take just a moment to talk to you directly, because you're not just viewers, you're part of this community. Every single tutorial I prepare takes hours of planning, designing, editing, and of course, recording. I do this because I love helping you learn. I love sharing what I know, and I love seeing you grow as designers. But to be honest, keeping this channel alive requires a lot of energy, time, and yes, financial support too. And that's where you can make the biggest difference. We've set up a Patreon page where you can join us as a supporter, and I want to explain why this isn't just about helping me, it's about unlocking a whole new world for you as well. As a patron, you'll be able to download this exact banana vector file we're creating today. You'll also get access to every single vector we've made in previous tutorials, like the potato, the apple tree, the orange, and more. On top of that, I'm sharing exclusive premium vector packs only for patrons' collections that I don't release anywhere else. And you'll get early access to new tutorials before anyone else on YouTube sees them. So when you choose to support me on Patreon, you're not just clicking a button, you're becoming part of this journey. You're helping me continue making videos week after week, and you're giving yourself access to resources that can truly speed up your learning and even help you build your own creative projects or portfolio. I know times are not always easy, and maybe you've thought, does my small contribution even matter? Let me tell you, it matters more than you can imagine. Every new patron feels like a burst of motivation, a reminder that what I'm doing has value and that people believe in this mission. Your support is what keeps this channel alive. If you've been enjoying this series and you want to see it continue, the best way to show it is to hit the like button. It really helps the algorithm show this to more people. Leave me a comment. I love reading your thoughts, ideas, and feedback. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next tutorials in this series. And if you want to go one step further and truly be part of this family, then please consider joining me on Patreon. You'll find the link in the description. It's not just a membership, it's a way of saying, I believe in this. I want this to continue. To all of you who are already supporting me, thank you. Really, from the bottom of my heart. Your kindness and generosity keep me inspired and remind me that we're building something beautiful together. All right, let's get into today's tutorial. Grab your Illustrator and let's design this banana vector together. And don't forget, this is only the third video in our growing series. More exciting tutorials are coming soon, so stay with me on this journey. Together, we'll keep learning, growing, and creating amazing designs.